Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Cheryl. So today I'm going to be playing with the Voss Violet Sunset palette. I got this in my boxy charm and I'm dying to try it out. These are the colors, and if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so today I'm going to be using the Voss Violet Sunset palette. This is a BoxyCharm exclusive. I think it's still available on the BoxyCharm website. If you're interested, you could purchase it there. I got this in my BoxyCharm, in my November BoxyCharm, and when I saw the colors, I thought it was very pretty. I think it's pretty. First, I'm gonna go in with Sunset, which is this one, and I'm gonna put that all over. It's like a peachy pink. Very pretty. I thought it was gonna be a lot lighter, and it's not. It is so windy today. It's moving everything. We're finally getting cooler weather here in Puerto Rico. It's about time. I like this color. This color is pretty. I'm gonna use that same color right on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this shade and put it on the crease to deepen it up. I'm just getting ready to go to work, so I don't want nothing too crazy. I've tried Voss's palettes, like maybe 3 more, and the quality is really good, and this one's working out pretty good too, so I like their eyeshadows. I'm gonna take this shade called Dusk, which is the darkest shade of the palette. It's like a dark brown. I'm just gonna place that in the outer corner just to deepen that part. I'm going with the first brush and just blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna add that same color right here in the outer corner. I'm gonna take this shade called Champagne, and I'm gonna put it right over here. I'm gonna spray my brush. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna use glitter primer. I'm using this one by NYX. Let me tell you, this glitter primer lasts a long time. It brings so much in there. And how much does it bring? 0.33 ounces, and it lasts a long time. I'm gonna take that color. Let's see. I'm gonna use the purple in here and put that on the lower lash line, because I really want to see how this looks. These are all very pigmented, by the way, and super blendable. Now with an angle brush like this one, I'm going to take the darkest shade and put it really close right here. I'm going to put some falsies and a lipstick. I don't know which one yet, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. For lashes, I use the Pure lashes. These are called Jet Setter. I don't know why one of them, this one is kind of shorter. I don't know. This one seems like it's always shorter, and I try to put mascara on it to try to fix it, but it seems shorter than this one. Or it has no, I think it has less hairs than this one. And for lips, I use this one from Maybelline in shade Flush Punch. I'm trying to get used to putting white eyeliner in my waterline, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know, I just see myself and I'm like, I look like my eyes are like this, but I don't know if it's just in my head because I never use white eyeliner in my waterline. But this one that I have on is pretty good, and it stays on all day. It's by NYX. That one's really good. I used the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So this is the final look. I got some thoughts about this palette. This palette's pretty good. I like it. This palette is perfect for simple makeup looks and natural makeup looks. The mattes are wonderful. I love all the mattes that I tried. I tried 4 of the mattes and they work great. They have a lot of pigment. They're very good and easy to blend. And out of the shimmers, this one that I tried, I only tried one. It's subtle. It's more on the subtle side, but if you build it up, you could get the payoff that you want. I haven't tried these over here because this one seems more metallic than the other two. These two over here, I think are going to be more subtle. I'm not sure yet. If you're a person that likes softer looks and more natural looks, you will probably love this palette. I like it. And I'm glad it came in my BoxyCharm. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload. Hit the like button. That really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. I'm going to put some falsies, I have to find my glitter primer. Where the fuck is it? And it's think, Cheryl, think. It's my alarm clock. That's my alarm clock. Why is this one wonky? Why are you like that? Why do you look like that? What is your problem? Tell me. Huh? Tell me your problems. Eyelash. Why do you look and then the other one is nice and perky. What is that? What is wrong with you, eyelash? You messing with me. Getting angry again. Why do I always get angry? Its color. If you made it to the end of every single time.